Międzynarodowe doświadczenie edukacyjne. So, let's begin the graduation ceremony of Kyiv Medical University class of 2024. Rozpocznijmy ceremonię ukończenia studiów Polskiego Liceum Medycznego klasa 2024. Dear friends, please stand up the national anthem of Ukraine. Thank you very much. Dziękuję bardzo. And now I want to give a stage to the president of Kyiv Medical University, Dr. Aleksander Pokanewicz. Prezydent Kyiwskiego Uniwersytetu Medycznego, dr Aleksander Pokanewicz.
Good morning, dear KU graduates of 2024. Good morning, our esteemed guests. Good morning to our colleagues and partners from the European Bank of Reconstruction and Development, to our today's guest speakers, director, friends and relatives of our bright graduates, and of course to the faculty members and administration of Kyiv Medical University. Today, before coming to this event, to the most imperative event of the year for all of us, I was thinking about how happy and proud of yourself you must be for finally reaching this momentum. For the last 6 years, you didn't have a day when you woke up and didn't do something useful and important to bring your dream closer. You were in constant pursuit of your dream to become the doctor for whom care is the calling. And today, I can proudly name you as our colleagues. And this day is in honor for you, for all your hard work, for your dedication to excellence that you have shown through your years of study. We have been a lot through together throughout these years. And the proverb, where there are challenges, there are new opportunities, is precisely describing all our characters. Due to the unprovoked and unjustified Russia's full-scale invasion and war in Ukraine, the administration of Kyiv Medical University had to find solutions to provide for you continuous education and possibility to graduate. And we did it. Lots of people didn't believe that it would be possible, but we were still keep doing it. And finally, we are at this moment graduation ceremony. Dear KMU community, you probably noticed that with each graduation ceremony within KMU Polish campus, and frankly speaking, this is already the fourth ceremony which we are hosting within Poland. The number of our friends and partners is increasing, and that means a lot to us. So therefore, let's give a set of applause to our Polish sisters and brothers who came to congratulate you today. And of course, there are much more stakeholders who were involved in setting out this campus who were not able to come today. And let's thank them for supporting all of us, for believing in our mission, in our values, and thank to whom we are all here and we are having this graduation ceremony. Thank you so much. Truly, healthcare workers all around the world is like a big family, and we are definitely feeling it. I'm an optimist. That is why I try to find and talk about good things. So, dear graduates, to all of the things said before, I would like to underline that here in Poland, you acquired an additional value. You are not only studied in Ukraine, in one country, but you also got an exposure to study in Poland, in one of the EU states, and to see how the healthcare system functions here. I'm sure that those skills will be very useful to your future career, considering that one of the core competencies for the new generation of healthcare workers is the ability to work in various geographical settings and to treat culturally diverse patients. So let's give a set of applause to yourself for impressive experience. Today's graduation ceremony is also a major event for us, for Kyiv Medical University faculty members and administration, who significantly contributed to your success. Moreover, we are proud that we were able to contribute not only to your success, but also to the increase in the number of clinical workforce globally. And in particularly, as to the Sustainable Development Goal number 3, so-called also SDGs, probably you all heard about it, which is the third SDG is universal health coverage, which signifies that all people should have access to quality health services when in need. Consequently, a sufficient number of health professionals is the most significant factor which influences universal health coverage. Just to remind you, all United Nations member states in 2015 adopted Agenda till 2030 and specified 17 Sustainable Development Goals, which will influence peace and prosperity for people and the planet. Lately, together with representatives of the Ukrainian government, we attended the most significant events in the sphere of public health, and on each of them, the special attention is given to the workforce shortage globally. By the way, it is predicted by 2030 the shortage of healthcare workers globally will reach 10 million specialists. And this shortage is unequally distributed, and it will affect mostly low and middle income countries, LMIC as abbreviations states. Dear graduates, Kyiv Medical University, through its long-standing history, is dedicated to advancing medical education and healthcare in Ukraine and beyond. As an advocate for global health and education, I firmly believe in the critical role that institutions like ours play in shaping the future of healthcare professionals and improving public health outcomes all around the world, and especially in LMIC countries, which requires it the most. Dear graduates, happy is the one who found his place in life. You not only found your place to serve the humanity in order to make as healthier people, as more healthier people as you can, but today you got a medical doctor degree, meaning that you have all legal rights to do it. All the KMU team is happy with you because we continue to surround ourselves with people who will change the world for the better. Last piece of advice from my side in the role of the president of the university, before you move on with your professional career. Of course, you always can count on our advices, already in the form of friend or your colleague. So please listen carefully. Physicians and patients need to work together to pursue care that improves health. Please remember it. Moreover, always implement innovations at your work. Stay curious and let's work all together to improve global health. I love you all.
Thank you very much, dear Mr. President. And now, dear ladies, I want to invite to the stage for the first time at KMU Polish campus, Director of Kyiv Medical University, Professor Boris Ilin.
Thank you very much. That's correct. First one, KMU Polish campus. Respected President of Kyiv Medical University, honored guests, all lecturers and education personnel, graduating doctors, executives, and friends, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings to all of you. My expression of gratitude and accompanied by a sense of pride, I extend my congratulations to all graduates of the master's program in medicine on the fourth graduation ceremony of Kyiv Medical University Polish campus and 30th of Kyiv Medical University. Over 100 doctors today will become a part of professional medical community of many countries. This number tells us how far our university has come in higher medical education. I would also like us to appreciate what all our leaders and teachers in Polish campus, with support of our Polish friends and partners, continue to do, ensure that we train high-quality doctors in a peaceful location. I would like to emphasize that our educators work very hard and in a sacrificial way to achieve these goals. I want to assure them all that their contribution is greater. On this day, you get a Doctor of Medicine degree from Kyiv Medical University as a form of recognition of the competencies you have succeeded in achieving. By holding this professional title, you are now carrying out a new responsibility that is higher than before. To be able to take part and contribute to the healthcare system of your country. I believe that undergoing and completing studies in a crisis situation due to the COVID-19 pandemic and ongoing war in Ukraine poses its own challenges. Challenges that are not easy to face, but with your hard work, fortitude and patience, and the moral support of all your family and relatives, you have successfully faced the challenges. And as a result, you are here. You are together with Kyiv Medical University, with Ukraine. Thank you for your support and faith in Kyiv Medical University. To my beloved Moving forward, you will enter a new career phase, whether in government institutions, private clinics, research or higher education institutions, international organizations. As you embark on this new journey in your career, the key phrase, in my opinion, is continuing education. Never cease to learn and grow in your profession, to contribute to your future work environment. It is essential for you to continuously engage in interaction and knowledge exchange and collaborate in addressing needs and problems. If you pursue this with a solid intention to contribute, your professional skills will develop and strengthen. In closing, once again, I congratulate all graduates on your success. Allow me to express my gratitude to the parents who have entrusted their sons and daughters to us to pursue their education at Kyiv Medical University. I hope you can continue to create, maintain, and disseminate medical knowledge and scientific culture as ambassadors of Kyiv Medical University, ambassadors of Ukraine, and now as ambassadors of Poland. Engage in interactions and knowledge exchange in various environments and consistently increase your spirit of leadership and solidarity to provide high level of patient care and treatment. Long live Kyiv Medical University. Slava Ukraini.
Thank you very much, respected director. And now, dear friends, I would like to you to stand up the national anthem of Poland. Thank you very much. Please have your seats. And now I want to invite to this stage for address or wishes to our graduates, Vice Head of City Bytom Council, Mr. Grzegorz Nowak. I teraz zapraszam do przemówienia wiceprzewodniczącego Rady Miejskiej w Bytomiu, pana Grzegorza Nowaka. Tak.
Szanowni Państwo, w imieniu władz miasta Bytom oraz Rady Miejskiej
Dear graduates, dear ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the authorities of City of Bytom and in particular City Council of Bytom,
jesteśmy niezmiernie zaszczyceni, że Wasza uczelnia, Kijowski Uniwersytet Medyczny, może gościć w naszym mieście, kampus Uniwersytetu może Państwa kształcić.
we are really proud that Kyiv Medical University and its Polish campus are located in Bytom.
Fakt, że Państwo jesteście, gościcie, oczywiście w okowach wojny, powoduje to, że też my mamy swój udział w Państwa kształceniu na terenie Rzeczpospolitej Polskiej.
And the fact that you are here due to the unprecedented war gives us possibility also to contribute in your education.
Dzisiaj chciałbym Wam, absolwentom, niezmiernie pogratulować faktu, że osiągnęliście status lekarza medycyny.
I really want to congratulate you all on achieving this very important status of Doctor of Medicine.
Wasza powaga na twarzach
Smiles on your faces
świadczy o tym, że jesteście niezmiernie przejęci.
signifies that you are very proud of yourself, very happy
Swoim statusem zawodowym.
with your professional title.
Ale to bardzo dobrze, bo od tej chwili
And it's very good because from this exact moment
w Waszych rękach leży życie ludzkie.
you have the human's life in your hands.
Oczywiście przysięga Hipokratesa
Of course, the Hippocratic oath
ma swoje znaczenie, ale prawdą jest,
has its meaning, but the truth is
że od was wszystko zależy.
that everything depends on you.
Dzieci się rodzą w waszych rękach.
Kids are being born with help of your hands.
Żyjemy w waszych rękach.
We live in your hands.
No i niestety odchodzimy też w waszych rękach.
And unfortunately, people are passing away also in your hands.
Dlatego proszę, macie wielką rolę w świecie, gdzie się rozjedziecie.
So you play a huge role in your countries, in the world where you are now going to.
Aby godnie reprezentować uniwersytet,
And please represent university
no i oczywiście status lekarza.
and of course the status of doctor.
A ja jako dyrektor szpitala
And Mr. Grzegorz Nowak as a director of hospital also
gorąco zachęcam
warmly welcome you,
wszystkich,
all of
abyście
you.
pozostali u nas.
So invite you to stay here in Poland.
Pomożemy wam w specjalizacji i zatrudnieniu.
We can help you in specialization and future employment.
Oczywiście to jest alternatywa waszego życia, ale serdecznie was do tego zapraszam.
Of course, it's your choice, but I really warmly welcome you to pursue this path.
I liczymy na to, że nasze drogi w życiu zawodowym jeszcze niejednokrotnie mogą się przeciąć.
And I really do hope that our professional ways, paths will interconnect many times in our life.
Gdy kiedyś nie spotkacie w swoim kraju, to przypomnijcie sobie łysą głowę.
So when you meet Mr. Novak in your country, always remember him.
Ale już nie żartując, jeszcze raz serdecznie wam gratuluję i trzymam za was kciuki, aby wasze życie zawodowe było przepełnione optymizmem, uśmiechem i fachowością.
So I congratulate you one more time, and I really keep fingers crossed for your successful future in medical career.
Bardzo dziękuję.
Teraz, and now I want to invite for another congratulations to our graduates, the director of the Association of County Hospitals of Silesia Region, Mr. Władysław Perchelu. I teraz zapraszam dyrektora Związku Szpitali Powiatowych Śląska, pana Władysława Perchela. Zapraszam. Dear President, dear Director, dear graduates.
Trudno mi nawet wypowiadać te słowa, bo za wokół się kręci, widząc adeptów, przyszłych lekarzy i widząc to czasami zafarbowanie na Państwa twarzy, o którym mówi dyrektor Nowak.
It's really hard to tell something now, to express something looking at your happy faces, which Director Nowak told about.
Szanowni absolwenci, panie, panowie doktorzy, w każdym z nas tkwi taka pamięć o pewnego rodzaju datach, daty urodzin, daty zakończenia szkoły podstawowej, szkoły średniej.
Dear graduates, all of us have several dates in life that we remember for a long time. Our birth, graduation from school, and for example, graduation from university.
Ale dzisiaj, proszę, was zupełnie złotymi złoskami zapisuje się ten dzień. Chodzicie do jednej wielkiej rodziny lekarzy.
But today's day is really a remarkable one because you are entering the huge medical family.
rodziny, która nie tylko w Polsce, nie tylko u Was, w różnych krajach na świecie, w Europie zapisuje się najwyższym stopniem uznania społecznego zaufania.
This medical family, not only in Poland, not only in Ukraine, not only in your countries, is one of the most honorable cohorts of society, and it has one of the highest level of social belief from the society.
Liczę na to, że większość z Państwa wybrała odpowiednią specjalizację, będę trzymał kciuki za egzaminy, bo ten krok, ten milowy krok, który Państwo dzisiaj zrobiliście, otrzymując dyplomy lekarskie,
I do hope that most of you have already chosen the particular specialization, so I really keep fingers crossed for your upcoming exams to enter this specialization.
będzie kontynuowany w trakcie uzyskiwania przez Państwa specjalizacji.
So, and you will continue your path getting your specialization.
Jeszcze raz wszystkim Wam gratuluję uzyskania dyplomu lekarza, tytułu lekarza i wszystkiego najlepszego.
So I congratulate you one more time on receiving a medical diploma and becoming and getting this title of doctor. Congratulations. Dziękuję bardzo, Panie Władysławie. And now I want to invite to the stage a head of the office of Senator of Polish Senate, Pani Halina Bieda, and head of the office of Pani Halina Bieda, Hanna Albrecht. I teraz zapraszam kierownika Biura Senatora Haliny Biedy, Panią Annę Albrecht.
Dzień dobry, witam Państwa bardzo serdecznie. Nazywam się Hanna Albrecht, jestem kierownikiem Biura Senatu. Wielu Państwa Pani Senator z powodu naszych obowiązków nie mogła pojawić się osobiście.
Unfortunately, Ms. Senator, due to her responsibilities, could not come to the in person.
Co daje mi możliwość, przyjemność odczytania listu w jej imieniu.
So I have a chance to read a letter from her on her behalf.
Szanowny Panie Dyrektorze, dzisiejsza doniosła uroczystość jest piękną wizytówką młodego pokolenia.
So today's ceremony is a visiting card of the young generations of professionals,
Które daje dowód na trwałość ponadczasowych wartości oraz jest powodem do dumy.
which is really a prerequisite to be proud of yourselves.
Mam wielką przyjemność złożyć wszystkim absolwentom Polskiego Kampusu Kijowskiego Uniwersytetu Medycznego serdeczne gratulacje oraz wyrazy uznania i szacunku za dotychczasowe dokonania, podjęty trud zdobywania wiedzy i osiągnięcia ostatecznego celu, uzyskania dyplomu wyższej uczelni.
So I'm really happy to congratulate all the graduates of Kyiv Medical University for completing this hard path, getting your diploma and getting this long-awaited title of a doctor.
Jestem przekonana, że dzisiejsze wydarzenie jest dla Was wyjątkowe, bowiem jest zasłużonym wyróżnieniem oraz będzie źródłem satysfakcji i inspiracją do dalszego działania.
I'm really sure that today's celebration is an exceptional day for you because it marks your significant achievement, which is really was long awaited.
Jest dowodem uznania dla Waszych zalet, umiejętności i zaangażowania. Wasz zapał i konsekwencja są świadectwem wyjątkowego patriotyzmu i dają nadzieję na lepszą przyszłość.
And your hard work, your success, your achievement gives us a hope for the greater good and for a better future.
Życzę dalszych sukcesów, satysfakcji, zapału i entuzjazmu. Najbliższy zaś czas niech będzie przestrzenią do odkrywania nowych możliwości, podejmowania odważnych decyzji oraz realizacji ambitnych planów.
So, in the closest future, it will be the time for you to achieve your dreams, to pursue your goals. So be proud of yourself and be confident in yourself.
Dziękuję i jeszcze raz serdecznie gratuluję.
Thank you very much. One more time, I congratulate you on behalf of Pani Halina Bieda. Dziękuję bardzo. I teraz chciałbym zaprosić do przemówienia kierownika działu szkolenia Śląskiej Okręgowej Izby Pielęgniarek Położnych, pani Anna Dobrowolska, Head of the Training Department of the Silesian Chamber of Nurses and Midwives, pani Anna Dobrowolska. Dear ladies and gentlemen, leadership of the university, educators, and first and foremost, dear graduates.
W związku z tym, że przewodnicząca Okręgowej Izby pani dr Anna Janik nie może być dzisiaj obecna, pozwoliłam przekazać mnie kilka słów do Państwa.
Unfortunately, the head of Silesian Chamber of Nurses and Midwives cannot be present in person, so I will express on her behalf.
Szanowni Państwo, pragnę serdecznie podziękować Państwu za zaproszenie na ceremonię wręczenia dyplomów absolwentom Polskiego Kampusu Kijowskiego Uniwersytetu Medycznego.
I want to sincerely thank you for inviting us to the ceremony of awarding of diploma of the Polish campus of Kyiv Medical University.
Niestety, wskutek wcześniej zaplanowanych zobowiązań nie mogę dzielić z Państwem tej wyjątkowej chwili.
Unfortunately, the head of the Silesian Chamber cannot be here today.
Jednak chciałabym skierować do Państwa kilka słów.
But I want to express several wishes and words from myself.
Wybór ścieżki zawodowej nigdy nie jest rzeczą łatwą.
The path of medical work and medical education is not easy feat.
Nie da się ukryć, że pewne zawody niosą ze sobą lepsze perspektywy na przyszłość.
We cannot hide that several professions have better perspectives for those who are pursuing them.
Przyszłość, która tak często bywa niepewna i podszyta strachem, będzie jutrzejsza.
The future, which usually can be uncertain and accompanied by fear.
Biorąc pod uwagę rzeczywistość, w której przyszło nam funkcjonować, trudno jest patrzeć na tą przyszłość nadzieją.
Taking into account the circumstances in which your country and you are now, it is hard to look in the future with certainty.
Dlatego też jestem niezwykle dumna i wzruszona faktem, iż nowi adepci zawodów medycznych przystąpią do pracy, która nierzadko jest niezwykle trudna, ale za to bardzo satysfakcjonująca.
And in connection with that, I'm really happy that so many of new doctors are going to join the medical cohort and become medical professionals in the sphere which is very and can be challenging.
Właśnie dzięki Państwu w perspektywie tej trudnej i niepewnej przyszłości, o której wspomniałam, widać iskierkę nadziei, że Państwo jesteście tą nadzieją.
So in these conditions of uncertainty, you guys, your graduates, are this hope for the better future.
Życzę więc Państwu ogromu pozytywnych doświadczeń, ambitnych wyzwań i dumy z wykonywanego zawodu.
So I wish you all the successes in your professional path. Be proud of yourself.
Mam nadzieję, że zrealizują Państwo wszystkie swoje plany, ambicje i marzenia oraz że każde podjęte przedsięwzięcie zakończone będzie sukcesem.
I really hope that you will pursue all your plans, all your thoughts, and your future career will be successful.
powiatu pielęgniarki położnych w Katowicach.
Dr. Ala-Igbo, head of the Salesian Chamber of Nurses and Midwives in Katowice. Thank you very much.
Ja ze swojej strony również chciałam Państwu wszystkim bardzo pogratulować. Wybraliście Państwo bardzo trudny, ale piękny zawód.
For myself, I want also to congratulate you all because you have chosen really great profession.
Życzę wszystkim Państwu sukcesu, wyboru wspaniałych specjalizacji, realizacji zamierzonych planów, wszystkiego dobrego również w życiu osobistym.
So I wish you to choose really your beloved specialization, have great future and have success in your professional best.
Pozwolę sobie jeszcze na koniec poprosić Państwa w związku z tym, że tematem moich zajęć ze studentami na kierunku medycznych jest etyka zawodowa, o to, żebyście Państwo kierowali się również w swojej pracy zasadami etyki. Dziękuję uprzejmie.
And because I deliver the discipline of ethics in medicine while I teach medical students, I want to ask you to always adhere to the principles of medical ethics in your professional activities. Thank you very much. And now I want to invite to the stage Mr. Piotr Szwalski, Vice Head of the Salesian Association of Managers in Healthcare. Teraz zapraszam do słowa pana Piotra Szwalskiego, zastępcę dyrektora Stowarzyszenia Menedżerów Opieki Zdrowotnej. Zapraszam.
Dzień dobry Szanownym Państwu, dzień dobry Panie Prezydencie, Szanowni Goście, drodzy absolwenci.
Greetings to everyone, ladies and gentlemen, dear President, dear guests.
Chciałbym przede wszystkim pogratulować władzom uczelni, która w tych trudnych czasach dla Państwa ojczyzny potrafiła zdobyć się na tak wielki wysiłek i zorganizować uczelnię, która potrafi wykształcić taką rzeszę dobrych, przyszłych lekarzy.
First of all, I want to congratulate the authorities of the university who managed in such a difficult times to arrange campus in Poland, to arrange an establishment here which is able of training such a high-level professionals.
Jest to wyraz wielkiej odwagi, profesjonalizmu i wielkiej zdolności organizacyjnej.
This is a testament of the bravery, of management talent and trust in their selves.
Chciałbym teraz absolwentom tej uczelni, którzy dzisiaj odbiorą dyplomy lekarskie, a wspominam z rozrzewnieniem ten czas, kiedy 43 lata temu byłem w Państwa sytuacji.
And now I want to wish you, dear graduates, and I'm recalling the moment 43 years ago when I was in your shoes.
Pogratulować ukończenia trudnych, ale ciekawych studiów i uzyskania przepustki do bardzo profesjonalnego i bardzo pełnego przygód zawodu.
So I want to congratulate you on finishing the studies and getting a permit to very professional and very challenging sphere.
Jest to w mojej ocenie jeden z najpiękniejszych, jeżeli nie najpiękniejszy zawód, który może wypełniać człowiek, pracując na rzecz drugiego człowieka.
From my point of view, medicine is one of the most, or maybe the most beautiful profession that human being can do, helping other people.
Oczywiście nie wszyscy pacjenci są standardowi, wielu z nich umyka spod algorytmów postępowania i procedur przyjęcia.
Of course, not all the patients are similar, standardized. A lot of them are out of algorithms and out of general rules.
Dlatego mamy rozum, w nim wiedzę, algorytmy, procedury, ale mamy również serce i empatię i trochę intuicji.
And that is for we have not only the knowledge, algorithms, protocols, but also we have heart, empathy, and a bit of intuition.
I dlatego pomimo bardzo ztechnicyzowanej już dzisiaj medycyny, życzę Państwu, żebyście znaleźli ten balans pomiędzy w tej triadzie tych umiejętności i Państwa zdolności.
And therefore I wish you, in very technocratic world of today's, very technocratic sphere of medicine, to find this balance between the modern approaches and technologies and basically the things that I talked before, the heart, empathy, and intuition.
Nie każdego pacjenta jesteśmy w stanie wyleczyć, ale wielu pacjentów możemy użyć w cierpieniu, natomiast wszystkich możemy wesprzeć w chorobie i pocieszyć.
We cannot treat all the patients, unfortunately, but for sure we can support everyone, all the patients.
Dlatego chciałbym też powiedzieć, że ta empatia i niemylne tego z jakimś naszym poświęceniem własnych emocji do końca, ale empatia dla chorego człowieka jest bardzo istotnym elementem naszego postępowania terapeutycznego.
And therefore the empathy is a really, really important thing in patient's care, in treatment of the patient.
Teraz chciałbym taką dyktryjkę Państwu przedstawić. Jest wielka sala operacyjna. Na stole operacyjnym leży już pacjent, jeszcze nie znieczulony przez anestezjologa.
And I want you to imagine a scenery. There is a surgical ward. The patient is lying on the bed.
Podchodzi młody lekarz, nachyla się i mówi: John, nie bój się, to się musi udać.
And the young doctor comes, approaches the patients and tells John, don't worry, it should be okay.
Pacjent na to odzywa się: ale panie doktorze, ja mam na imię Michael.
But sorry doctor, my name is not John, but Mike.
Doktor mówi: wiem, ale ja mam na imię John.
I know, but my name is John.
Życzę Państwu pozytywnej wiary w swoje umiejętności, ale zawsze z odrobiną pokory do ogromu wiedzy i zadań, które przed Państwem będą.
So I wish you to be proud and confident in yourself, but always think about development and continuous education.
Życzę Państwu dużo szczęścia w doborze swoich decyzji w opiece nad pacjentami.
I wish you luck in making decisions when treating the patient.
Bo jak powiedział wielki wódz cesarz Napoleon, zapytany, jakie chciałby mieć generałów,
Because as Napoleon told when he was asked which generals he would like to have,
odpowiedział po prostu: tych, którzy mają szczęście.
he replied, those who are lucky.
Dlatego życzę Państwu jak najwięcej szczęścia i zadowolenia w zawodzie i w życiu osobistym. Dziękuję bardzo.
Therefore, I wish you success and luck in your life and professional career. Thank you. Thank you very much. And now, the next honored guest of our today's ceremony, I would like to invite to the stage our partner, our big friend from the financial sector, Mr. Alexander Kaplati, the banker from European Bank for Reconstruction and Development. I zapraszam do przemówienia Aleksandra Kaplatiego, bankiera z Europejskiego Banku Odbudowy i Rozwoju.
Good afternoon, everyone. I will try to be short. Mr. President, management, the faculty, guests, and of course, our dear graduates. Today, we celebrate a very special moment in time. On one side, it's a special moment in the history of KMU, Kiev Medical University, which was founded over 30 years ago in Ukraine. And on the other side, we celebrate a special moment in your personal history. The vision and dedication of all you students, the faculty, the management, and especially the president of university has turned numerous challenges that you faced into really opportunities and created a path for you as our future medical leaders. Not only all of you have excelled in your academic fields, but you also built very good ties with the Silesia region, with Poland, with the European Union, and with a long list of partners, and maybe with the EBRD, European Bank for Reconstruction and Development, the organization of which I'm part of. And I really, honestly, sincerely congratulate you all. Now, dear graduates, as you begin your journey, I would like to take this opportunity and share 3 ideas, not from the medical field, but something that I hope you will find interesting, encouraging, and maybe important. First of all, as an old Stoic saying goes, it says, good times create weak men create hard times create strong men, and strong men create good times. Now, you have to decide where you stand in this saying, but I think that if these past years have not been hard enough, then I must have some perception disorder. I think you are very fortunate to be young and living right now, because your true character will only develop in circumstances like now. And it's the good time for your character to proclaim and declare itself. Remember how much you have accomplished so far and rely on your accomplishments. Embrace your skill of flexibility and resilience. Be brave, be free, be mobile, and don't let challenges down. Second, remember that you have become one family. Your university friends and the connections you have built during your study years are actually your first meaningful adult life connections and friends. Keep this bond strong, because when you become important, old, rich, and famous, your student life friends will remind you how stupid, silly, and reckless you were. And they will remind you how young you were, and you will feel young and you will feel better about it. But also stay connected, not only because of this, but because your friendships will open a lot of opportunities and open many doors for you as your future career goes. And lastly, your education, formal education, may stop today, but as this director says, your learning may not stop never, it must not stop. Statistics show that about 25% of you, every fourth of you, will not pursue medical careers. A lot of you will become doctors and choose medicine as your lifetime career and pathway, but a quarter of you may not do so. So try to learn new skills, try to build new skills, try to learn how to build companies, how to sell companies, how to do anything you feel like doing. Your education is just a start, and your willingness to never start and never stop learning will actually make you grow and successful. So again, congratulations to all of you, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak, and good luck.
Thank you very much, dear Alexander. And now, before we move on to the next honorary guest, I would also like to thank very much Pani Aneta Kawka, who joined our ceremony today, the director of hospital in Sosnowiec, with which we are starting cooperation now. And now I would like everyone to stand up because we will have one general photo with our honorary guests. I would like to ask our honorary guests to come downstairs to make a memorable photo with our greatest. Please, everyone stand up. Thank you very much. I would like to ask our respected photographer to come here. Zapraszam na dół do naszych absolwentów. Dziękuję. Na pierwszym rządzie po prostu staniemy i zrobimy takie zdjęcie upamiętkowe. Jest okej? Thank you very much. Please take your seats. Our honored guests, you're welcome again to the Presidium.
Yes. You're welcome.
And now, as we move forward, I want to give a stage to another special guest of our ceremony. Lawyer, lecturer, international speaker, expert in medical and pharmaceutical law, Miss Radmila Євцова. А зараз це владить głos gościowi specjalnemu naszej ceremonii, prawnikowi, wykładowcy, mówcy międzynarodowemu, ekspertowi w dziedzinie prawa medycznego i farmaceutycznego.
Good afternoon, dear ladies and gentlemen, dear President, dear Rector, esteemed guests and distinguished colleagues, and certainly medical university graduates, your parents, your friends, all friends of the Kyiv Medical University. I'm very happy and honored to be here today. This is a really exciting day. It's exciting for everyone. And naturally, you will come back to this day for many times. And let us say in 20 years, when you come back in your memory to this day, you will be able to ask yourself, have I fulfilled my dreams? Have I achieved my goals? But whatever goal you define, just remember that life, your professional life, is not merely a destination. It is a journey. And we would like to wish you that your professional journey, your medical journey, will be the one that you will love, that you will enjoy. Certainly, when you will look from the window of your car, of the car of your professional journey, you will not only and mostly, you will not see beautiful landscapes. You will see pain, you will see sorrow, you will see injustice. But at the same time, you should always remember that you've chosen, you made the right choice. You've chosen the profession. That is one of the most noble and most important professions in the whole world. And that you are doing the thing that is really worth doing, and you are living the life that is really worth living. I just come from Kyiv, the capital is now defending its independence, its traditions, and its future among other civilized nations. You know that many of your colleagues are now in the front line. And I would like to tell you one real-life story. It's the story of my good friend who is also a lawyer and who is a medical doctor. By the way, he is an extremely successful lawyer, quite a rich person. He was a member of the Ukrainian parliament, but when war started, he came to the front line. And he came there as a medical doctor. And what he told me by calling me up from the front line was, you know, I now feel, it could sound strange, but I now feel the most demanded. And when people around me, when soldiers provide medical treatment, tell me, doctor, thank you. I feel that I am now doing the most important thing in my life. So you will be doing really important things in your life. Of course, you will achieve success. Of course, you will find many obstacles. You will certainly be confronted with some failures, with some difficulties. But your major aim, your destination and journey should certainly be before your eyes. And one more thing which I would like to point out to you. You are entering your professional life in very challenging times. Pandemics, the humankind has just recovered from the COVID-19 pandemics, armed conflicts, climate changes, the use of artificial intelligence, which gives us both prospects and some risks. So we are entering very challenging times with many risks and many opportunities. And you are those people on who the face of the world in which we will live, let's say, 20 years depend. It's you who will form the face of the world in the nearest future. Well, lawyers like to talk much, but I will try to be very precise and very short. The only thing which I'd like to point out, I will continue what has been just said by Mr. Alexander, the previous speaker, who pointed out the necessity of soft skills. You certainly got a brilliant medical command, medical knowledge and skills here at the Kyiv Medical University. But it is important to continue. And what is important now is ethics. Several speakers have already pointed out the importance of ethics, both bioethics, on which the face of our world depends, and decision-making ethics, medical ethics. It's law. And you will find that law will be very important in your professional life. What information to tell to the patient, what information should be kept confidential, when it can be legally disclosed, how to take an informed consent of a patient, and when this consent can be considered as an informed one, how to reduce this consent to writing. So many things which will be extremely important for your career. Because you don't want to go to a hospital. You want to go to the operation hall and to be successful as a surgeon, as an ophthalmologist, gynecologist, etc. So please pay attention to this. And also one more small piece of advice, I won't charge you for this piece of advice, also I'm a lawyer. Please improve your management skills. It has just been pointed out, it is extremely important not only to be a good lawyer, to be a good medical doctor, but also to be able to show that you are a good medical doctor. So presentation skills, SMM skills, time management, very many skills will be need to do. And I'm sure that with this very deep educational and professional medical background that has been given to you by the Kyiv Medical University, you will be extremely successful. And you will be the ambassadors of our university to the whole world, successful ambassadors. So the only thing which now left is to wish you a very successful way to the future. When I was a law school graduate, my favorite professor wished me 3 things, and it took me several years, not even several, but quite many years to understand and to feel the importance of his words. He wished me to be demanded, to be understood, and to be loved. And now I want to extend those wishes to you. Be demanded, be understood, be loved, and be successful. Good luck to you.
Thank you very much. And now, before we proceed to the main part of our today's ceremony, I would like to invite our first row, our guests, our esteemed educators, here for a memorable photo with our honorary guests. So please kindly, you're invited here, and I would like to ask our dear photographer to make a photo. If everyone seated in the first row, please just come over here.
Now to go join them, that's it.
Thank you very much. Please take your seats. Dear guests, dear ladies and gentlemen, our honored guests, now we are moving to the most important part of our event, solemn awarding of diplomas. For awarding of diplomas, I kindly invite the President of the University and Director of the University here on stage. We are really proud that all our graduates have shown great academic performance during their studies, which was confirmed by high results on Prop 2 and OSCE exams. However, there are several graduates who have shown really outstanding academic performance throughout all their studies, and we want to recognize their achievements with memorable souvenirs. Jesteśmy pewni, że wszyscy nasi absolwenci wykazali się świetnymi wynikami w nauce podczas studiów, co zostało potwierdzone wysokimi wynikami egzaminów PROM 2 i OSCE. Jest jednak kilka absolwentów, którzy wykazali się naprawdę wybitnymi wynikami w nauce. Chcemy uhonorować ich osiągnięcia pamiątkowymi upominkami. So, the masters, are we ready? Great. The master's degree diploma with honors and professional qualification doctor is proudly awarded to Andy Face Chizova.
Ala-Igbo.
Congratulations. Asantiva Franchida. Bangalore Prem Kumar Rachid. Our congratulations. Biswal Shrikant. Congratulations. Duta Palak. Hamid Murtaza. Congratulations. Ibioji David. Lakshita Purushottam. Congratulations. Mishra Karima. Congratulations. Invacor Bernard Chidera. Neha Oja. Olofa Precious. Congratulations. Panda Ashish Kumar. Congratulations. Sin Aniket. Sin Jitendra. Congratulations. Surki. Our congratulations. Udotai Jane Christopher. Congratulations. So, and master's degree diploma and professional qualification doctor is awarded to Abdul Razak Naima Khalid. Congratulations. Adebayo Habib. Congratulations. Adebayo Paul. бачу. Congratulations. Adesina Elizabeth. Congratulations. Kisha Poma. Agata Sila. Akimbade Pipolua. Congratulations. Alexander Millet. Austin Prince. Congratulations. Katya Ankit. Prachita Pramod. Congratulations. Bobby Daniela Osei. Congratulations. Kalea Elvis. Congratulations. Chandra Prakash. Chaudhary Jahanvi. Congratulations. Chilomba Emily Natasha. Chiluka Nitin Reddy. Das Nayan Jyoti. A young friend. Chibugum John. Congratulations. Paloma Davilola. Farod People. Congratulations. Gaur Kritik.
I think this one is good. Best nice students. I think they're about to say.
Girash Bilal.
Don't worry, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense.
Congratulations. And now I would like to invite respected rector to replace president in this ceremony and award another part of diplomas. Gupta Rajat. Congratulations. Iloba Elizabeth.
Oh, you're not graduating.
Indu. Thank you. Jamil Umar. Congratulations. Jimok Jamil Babalola. Congratulations. Aravin Gould. Vitil Arjun Krishna. Keshri Vikash Kumar. Congratulations. Khan Mashal Mansour. Khan Muhammad Aman. Congratulations. Khushbo. Congratulations. Andre Cedric Patel. Kumar Abhishek. Congratulations. Kumar Dipanshu. Kumar Ravish. And now Kumar Ravish. Congratulations. Laval Vali Temiloluva. Malik Sachin. Congratulations. Elizabeth Yohannes. Congratulations. Mahmoud Bisma. Mensah Nana Kwabena. Congratulations. Muhammad Ahmed Saeed Saleh Imam. Zara Murtal. Munawar Mustafa. Nkosi Sinkobia. Boye Timothy. Onach Uzoma Asunka. Osai Jennifer. Congratulations. Patei Ravi Shankar. Congratulations. Pauline Grace. Raquel Giovanni. Congratulations. Ramesh Sushman. Congratulations. Rafael Vivian. Congratulations. Rai Penati Prasad. Congratulations. Rumash Mariam. Saini Tarun. Sirat. Congratulations. Sunil Sanapati. Pragati Sergio. Congratulations. Sharma Krishna. Congratulations. Singh Akshay Kumar. Singh Kajal. Congratulations, Singh Samir. Congratulations, Smith Fergus. Soni Mahendra Kumar. Congratulations, Sola David. Sundar Charlatha. Congratulations, Tidakabi Osbert. Tivari Tanisha. That's all. We are really proud of our graduates. Warmest congratulations on your success and your achievements. graduates and all the guests, please take your seats. I understand that you are super excited about this ceremony, but please take your seat because we have the ceremony running. Please, dear graduates, dear guests, take your seats because we have several more. Please, yes, graduates, take your seats. We will have time to congratulate our graduates after the ceremony. Guys, let's take the seats. We have program. Dear graduates, dear guests, please take your seats. You will have a chance to take a photo with our graduates and congratulate them after the ceremony. Thank you very much. Dear graduates, please kindly take your seats. You really will have opportunity to take photos. Thank you. And now I would like to invite here one of our prominent graduates to speak, to give her address. Jesteśmy bardzo dumni z naszych absolwentów i teraz chcieliśmy zaprosić jednego z nich do zabrania głosu. So I invite Ala-Igbo here on the stage. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Paladata, and it's an honor to stand before you today. Over the years, I have been many things to many of you. A friend to some, a colleague to others, and a student to our esteemed faculty. Today,
Dear friends, please keep silence, respect your colleague. Thank you.
Today, I am proud to stand here as a fellow graduate celebrating this momentous occasion with all of you. On behalf of the graduating students of Kiev Medical University, I would like to begin by thanking Kiev Medical University President Dr. Alexander Poknavich, guests of honor, creative faculty, tireless staff, including our Rector Dr. Boris, Director of Polish Campus, KMU Alexander Toti, Vice President Senior Bikova, and Irina for their valuable contributions. Your leadership and dedication have been pivotal in guiding us through our academic journey, especially during these challenging times. Our teaching staff deserves a special mention. I cannot even begin to thank all of them, but I'm going to mention some of them. Dr. Irina Avramento, your constant push for us to be better has been valuable. Dr. Olga Rizevska, you've been a mother to all of us. Dr. Goni, has made us what we are today. It's been an honor to learn from all of you teachers. You've made a profound impact on our lives. We must also extend our deepest gratitude to our families, friends, and guardians. Your unwavering support and encouragement have been always a bedrock upon which we stand as doctors here today. When we first embarked on this path, filled with hopes and dreams of becoming doctors. Little did we know the challenges that lay ahead. The global pandemic disrupted our lives. And we were just adapting to the remote learning and rethinking our approach to medical education. Just as we were finding our footing, the harsh realities of war unfolded, testing our resilience in unimaginable ways. Yet through it all, we stood, we preserved. We didn't just survive, we thrived. Our experiences, though difficult, have shaped us into the compassionate, resourceful, and unwavering doctors we are here today. We learned that life rarely goes according to the plan, but it's how we react to the unexpected that truly matters. As so eloquently stated, life can be heavy, life can be hard, life can be incredible, and life can be heartbreaking. But no matter what, life always is going to go on. Our time at KMU has been a testament to this truth. We faced obstacles that seemed immeasurable, but we embraced the detours, adapted, and found strength in our collective spirit. In the face of adversity, we discovered the power of community. Our classmates became our family, and our professors became our mentors. Together, we navigated the uncertainties, supporting one another through the darkest of times and celebrating even the smallest victories. As we step into the world as doctors, we carry with us the invaluable lessons we learned from our experiences at KMU. We've learned to react with grace, to approach challenges with resilience, and to find beauty in the unexpected. These qualities will serve us all when we embark on a noble mission to heal and care for those in need. In other words, no matter what happens to you, no matter how impossible the day looks, there is always, always, and always something to be grateful for. Let us be grateful for the challenges that have made us stronger, for the friendships that have sustained us, and for the knowledge that had empowered us to make this difference. As we bid farewell to our alma mater, let's embrace the future with open arms. The world needs our compassion. It needs our expertise, our unwavering commitment to the well-being of others. Let us carry the spirit of KMU with us, honoring the values instilled in us and continuing to chase our dreams with unwavering determination. On that note, I've written a small poem to celebrate all of us and our alma mater. An ode to my alma mater. 6 years ago, with naive, confused minds, we sought a dream and stumbled upon KMU. My journey began with MA 18060. To MA 18010, my path was defined. Through ups and downs, sweet memories and sour, some friends became like family so dear. From scoldings by teachers in the morning's hour to now missing those classes behold. An incredible journey of emotion. Faces before me, I see our first year. An unsaid bond, a shared devotion. Through trials of COVID, through war's heavy tear, this batch has faced it all, and yet we stand. Failures behind us, emerging so strong. Grateful for the teachers who lent us their hand, traveling between Ukraine and Poland for so long. Whatever we achieved, we owe it to you, for molding us with care through all the strife. This path, though rough, we journeyed and grew, ready to heal in the corridors of life. Now, as doctors prepare to depart from alma mater's nest, we spread our wings. With every challenge, you strengthen our heart. In every patient's eyes, your essence clings. Through you, we've chased the noblest of dreams and carried forth your spirit intertwined. O alma mater, cradle of our schemes, forever grateful in our hearts and minds.
and never lose sight of the profound impact we can have as rulers. The road ahead may be winding, but together we have the power to navigate it with courage, resilience, and unwavering commitment to making the world a better place. Class of 2024, we did it. Congratulations, Doctor.
Thank you very much, dear Palak, for your speech. And now I want to invite our graduates to deliver a memorable gift to the president and community of the Kyiv Medical University. And I would like to invite our respected presidents downstairs to receive a memorable gift. А teraz chciałbym zaprosić naszych absolwentów do wręczenia prezentu prezydentowi i społeczności Kijowskiego Uniwersytetu Medycznego.
It's my honor to present you this inaugural solo survey portrait on behalf of whole KNU 2024 batch. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. You inspired me, and this inspiration will last with me for a long time. Thank you.
At Kyiv Medical University, we not only train medical professionals, but also we care about development of soft skills and talents among our students. Now I want to invite over there a group of our talented students. The song. So, Синакурин Костя, Dzięki Tutaj, Asatina Pimzibak, Jennifer Said i Chibiko Joanna Ezenwana. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, dear graduates, for this spectacular song. And I now want to invite for the word to congratulate our graduates, another honored guest of our today's ceremony, the first Vice Mayor of the City of Bytom, Mr. Michał Bieda. I teraz chcę zaprosić do przemówienia pierwszego następcę prezydenta Bytomia, pana Michała Bieda.
Hello everyone. I have to apologize to you because I was supposed to be here 2 hours ago, but I had to go to the hospital with my youngest son. So I have experienced myself how important are the physicians to each one of us. But let's get to the point. Let me express on behalf of myself and the mayor of our city, Mr. Marian Hall, our deep congratulations. First to you, the graduates, to your professors, and of course the board of Kyiv University of Medicine. Of course, we all wish that the war in Ukraine will end as soon as possible, and the Ukrainians will win the war, of course. But we also hope for the continuation of this collaboration between the university and the city of Bytom. I wish you all well-earned holidays. Take your time to take some rest, and of course I wish you all good careers and fruitful careers and good fruits of your education to you personally and your communities. Thank you for having your education here and in Bytom. And like I said, we keep fingers crossed for your careers and to have good memories of our city. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Bieda. Hippocratic oath.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Lakshya and I will be initiating the oath taking today. So I request all the graduates to please stand up and raise your arms. Okay, so now we shall begin the oath taking. As a member of the medical profession, I solemnly pledge to dedicate my life to the service of humanity. The health and well-being of my patient will be my first consideration. I will respect the autonomy and dignity of my patient. I will maintain the utmost profession with conscious dignity and in accordance with good medical practice. I will foster the honor and noble tradition of the medical profession. I will give to my teachers, colleagues, and students the respect and gratitude that is their due. I will share my medical knowledge for the benefit of the patient and the advancement of healthcare. I will attend to my own health, well-being, and abilities in order to provide care of the highest standard. I will not use my medical knowledge to violate human rights and civil liberties, even under threat. I make these promises solemnly, freely, and upon my honor. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Very important words. Okay, so as we come to an end of this momentous ceremony, let us carry with us the memories of this day filled with joy, pride, and profound sense of accomplishment. May the bonds formed and the lessons learned during our time together with Kyiv Medical University Polish campus serve as a foundation for a lifelong success and continuous growth. As our graduates venture forth into their respective fields, let us stand united in our unwavering belief in their ability to make a difference and shape a brighter future for all. Congratulations once again, and may you journey to build with purpose, fulfillment, and endless possibilities. Congratulations! I would like to ask our respected educators to pass national flags of countries of our students here, and we made several photos with the flags and with the banners. Thank you very much. Take the flags, please. And I would like to ask our respected photographers to take photos from here, from upstairs. Please hold the flags. And I would like everyone to stand up, better to stand up with all of the flags to take several photos. Let's get our photographer up here. Let's please stand still, waiting for cameramen to come. Guys, you need to stand like this for 1 more minute. We're waiting for the main cameraman. I'm sorry.
So that's everyone. That's the end of this. I hope you can hear me. Maz is okay. Live from Poland. It's been a privilege to bring this to you. These were Nigerian students who studied in Poland, but they had to leave. They had to leave because of the war, so most of them first went to Netherlands, from Netherlands to Portugal, from Portugal then they found themselves back in, basically Poland. Inadvertently, they eventually lost 1 year in all this. But the story then is that at the end of the day, they've been able to graduate today. I have I have my niece who is one of them, one of the best graduating students. So in order to show her love and support, I flew from Nigeria via United Kingdom to be here today. Honestly, I am very much impressed by their accomplishments, their resilience. These are young Nigerians, these are young Africans, these are young students in their early 20s and finished their GCSE, A level, whatever, gone into university, and before you knew it, in a new land, and there was war. It really hits the cold home. So let me see if we can speak to one or two of them. Sorry, if you can hear me, before I do that, I hope the microphone is working. So you know, can someone confirm to me that you can hear my mic? I want to get one or two of them to tell us their story. So this is not only from a third party. Okay? Can someone confirm from the comment section that you can hear me loud and clear? If you can, please do. Can you hear me loud and clear? Because I want to speak to some of them.